Welcome to Eva Explains Tech. Having screen mirroring problems on your iPhone? Let's try fixing it. First, toggle airplane mode on. Swipe down for the control center. Tap the airplane icon. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn it off. Once the network stabilizes, test screen mirroring. If it fails, check the Wi-Fi. Go to Settings. Then tap Wi-Fi. Confirm your iPhone and other device use the same Wi-Fi. Retry screen mirroring. If it still fails, check AirPlay settings. Go to Settings again. Scroll and tap General. Then AirPlay and Handoff. Tap Automatically AirPlay. Make sure Automatic is selected. Retry screen mirroring. If it's still not working, try disabling VPN. Go to Settings again. Scroll down to General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Check for a connected VPN. If connected, disconnect it. Retry screen mirroring. If that fails, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press volume up. Quickly press volume down. Press and hold the side button. Wait for the Apple logo, then release. The device will restart soon. After restarting, see if the issue is resolved. If not, reset network settings. Go to Settings. Scroll to General and tap it. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. This will delete saved Wi-Fi passwords. After restarting, reconnect. Test screen mirroring again. This might fix it. That should do it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.